Hey everyone, today I'm diving into the world of artificial intelligence in mechanical engineering. It's not just a buzzword anymore. AI is revolutionizing how we design, analyze, and manufacture just about everything. First off, let's talk about design. With AI, engineers can now create more efficient and innovative designs faster than ever. Think of generative design, where the AI generates thousands of design options based on set parameters. It's like having an entire team of designers working around the clock, providing you with the best possible solutions. Now, on to analysis. Traditional simulations can be time-consuming and resource-heavy. Enter AI-driven simulations. These can predict outcomes with remarkable accuracy, all while saving precious time and computational power. Imagine being able to run complex simulations in a fraction of the time it used to take. That's the power of AI. Then there's manufacturing. AI is making smart factories a reality. From predictive maintenance, which reduces downtime, to optimizing supply chains, AI is streamlining the entire production process. Robots equipped with AI can learn and adapt, improving efficiency and consistency in manufacturing tasks. But it's not all just about efficiency. AI is also aiding in sustainability efforts. By optimizing processes and reducing waste, AI helps engineers design eco-friendly solutions. It's a win-win for both productivity and the planet. And let's not forget about the role of AI in quality control. Traditional inspection methods can miss subtle defects, but AI-powered systems can detect even the smallest anomalies, ensuring higher quality and reliability in products. So, what does this mean for you as an engineer? Embracing AI can elevate your projects, make your workflows more efficient, and open up new possibilities that were previously unimaginable. It's a tool that, when used wisely, can transform the way you approach mechanical engineering. In conclusion, the future is here, and it's powered by AI. If you're not already integrating AI into your work, now's the perfect time to start. Stay curious, stay innovative, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the world of engineering. Catch you in the next one.